Welcome to our guide on managing app permissions on your Android device. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to grant storage access to the PictureThis app, ensuring it functions properly. First, locate the PictureThis app icon on your home screen. Next, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then, tap on App Info to open the app settings. After that, select Permissions to view and manage the app's access rights. Here, find and tap on Storage to manage its access settings. Finally, choose Allow access to media only to grant the app the necessary permissions to access your photos and videos. By following these steps, you've successfully configured the PictureThis app to access your media files. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.